How to make Google your default search browser in Microsoft Edge. So in this video today, I'll be showing you how you can actually make google.com your search browser in Microsoft Edge. So let's go ahead and show you how that's done in this video. So first of all you have to do in Microsoft Edge is head over to the top right hand corner and click the three-dotted horizontal line. Now in here, you're going to want to go over to the settings. Now here in settings, make your way towards privacy search and services. It should be the option located on the left hand panel, right under profiles. Now, once you click it, it should look something like this. Now go all the way to the bottom and scroll all the way. Now, you'll be able to see that the last option here is address bar and search. Now click on it, and in here, you should be able to see that the very last options at the bottom here, one of the first being search engine use and the address bar. Now here, you're going to want to change it to Google. And basically, you're going to want to make sure that this is actually on search box. So once you go ahead and do that, that'll go ahead and make google.com your default search browser on Microsoft Edge. So if you found the video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys until next time.